And to our surprise, we have a Corolla Cross again. But this time around, we're going to do more. We're going to do the wipers. Ready for this? They're 2 foot. I came on the passenger side because to me it's easier. I'm 6 foot tall, and this is just easier for me. So that's 24, and this is 16. So, with that being said, see how I pull these up? Push in. See? Lift up, and do not let go because it will smash your windshield. And you just bought yourself a windshield. You only want to replace wipers. So, that's the passenger side. Look how easy. One-hander. Push in, lock in. That's it. Push in. Same thing. All right, you got it? You got it. You got it. Now, let's do the back. We will shut the door and show you how easy this is. All right, pull up. This pops up. Whole thing pulls up and outward. You want to try to get it to come outward. There's a hinge right here. All right, so let's get it off. You see, it's like a knuckle. That's what locks it into place. This puppy right here. Focus. Focus. So always the back. It's always the back wipers I always have a problem with focusing. It's funny, right? You see? Now it sits on a weird little angle. There's a flat spot on here. You see that flat spot? That goes up and guides you to make sure it goes in one way. You see? And then you snap it back in. Done. Done. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.